Imagine waking up every morning in one of the safest and most beautiful countries in the world, studying at a university ranked among the best globally, working part time while studying, graduating with an international recognized degree, and then having the opportunity to stay and work in Australia after graduation. Now, imagine doing all of this without paying tuition fee or with most of your expenses covered through scholarship. Sound impossible? It's not. Thousands of international students receive scholarship in Australia every year. Many of them come from developing countries including Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Nepal, and many others. The surprising part, many students never apply because they think scholarships are only for genius students with perfect grades. This is one of the biggest myths. In today's video, I shall show you everything you need to know about studying for a master degree in Australia on scholarship. We shall cover why Australia is one of the world's top study destinations, types of scholarship available, fully funded versus partial funded scholarship, government scholarship, university scholarships, scholarship eligibility, required documents, CGPA requirements, IELTS requirement, application timeline, tips that actually increase your chance, common mistakes student makes, and a complete application roadmap. By the end of this video, you shall know exactly where to start and what to do next. So grab a notebook because this might be one of the most valuable videos you shall ever watch if studying in Australia is your dream. Let's begin. First of all, why study in Australia? Before talking about scholarship, let's first understand why Australia is one of the world's most popular study destinations. Every year, more than 700,000 international students choose Australia. But why? There are several reasons. First of all, world-class universities. Australia is home to universities consistently ranked among the world's best. Some famous names include Australian National University, University of Melbourne, University of Sydney, Monash University, University of Queensland, UNSW Sydney, University of Adelaide, Curtin University, and Deakin University. Degrees from these universities are recognized worldwide. Secondly, high quality education. Australian universities emphasize research, innovation, practical learning, and industrial collaboration. Instead of memorizing books, students solve real-world problems. This makes graduates highly employable. Thirdly, work while studying. International students can legally work while studying. This helps students manage living expenses, gain experience, improve communication skills, and build professional networks. Many students later receive full-time job offers. Fourthly, post-study work opportunity. After graduation, Australia offers post-study work visa that allow graduates to gain valuable work experience. This becomes an excellent pathway toward permanent residency for eligible graduates. Fifthly, excellent lifestyle. Australia offers clean cities, excellent healthcare, multicultural communities, modern infrastructure, beautiful beaches, high salaries, and safe environment. It's consistently ranked among the best countries for quality of life. Now let's discuss the biggest concern, that is cost of studying in Australia. Many students think Australia is too expensive. Yes, without scholarship, studying in Australia can cost tuition. If we talk about the tuition, it may be Australian dollar 25,000 to 55,000 per year. If we talk about the living expenses, it could be 22,000 Australian dollar to 30,000 Australian dollar annually. Health insurance, visa fee, travel, books, and accommodation. Altogether, a master degree can cost over 80,000 Australian dollar. That's why scholarships are life changing. Now let's discuss type of scholarship in Australia. This is where many students get confused. There is not just one scholarship. There are many. Let's understand each type. First of all, government scholarship. These are funded by the Australian government, usually the most prestigious, often fully funded. Examples include Australian Award Scholarship, Research Training Program, also known RTP. These usually cover tuition, living allowance, airfare, health insurance, and research expenses for eligible program. Second, university scholarship. Almost every Australian university offers scholarship. These may cover 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% tuition fee. Some university automatically consider students. Others require a separate application. Third is faculty scholarship. Individual department often provides scholarship specifically for business, engineering, IT, health science, education, agriculture, or other field. Competition is usually lower. Fourth is external scholarship. Many organizations also fund international students. Examples include charitable organizations, international foundations, professional association, and industry sponsor. These are often overlooked. Let's talk about the scholarship students search for the most. Yes, fully funded scholarship. First of all, Australian Award Scholarship. This is one of the Australia's most prestigious scholarship program. It generally covers full tuition fee, monthly living allowance, return airfare, overseas student health cover, establishment allowance, academic sports, and introductory program. This scholarship mainly targets students from eligible developing countries. Competition is high, but preparation makes a huge difference. Secondly, RTP scholarship, research training program scholarship, are mainly for research-based masters and PhD students. Benefits usually include full tuition, living stipend, research funding, and health insurance. These are ideal for students interested in research career. Now we discuss university scholarship worth applying for. Many students only know government scholarship, but university scholarship are often easier to secure. Example include scholarship offered by University of Melbourne, Monash University, University of Sydney, UNSW, University of Adelaide, Macquarie University, Deakin University, Curtin University, La Trobe University, University of Tasmania, Griffith University, Swinburne University, and RMIT University. Each university has different eligibility criteria and funding level. Never apply to one university. Apply strategically to several universities to maximize your chance. Now let's discuss eligibility criteria. Students often ask what GPA I need. There is no universal answer. Generally, universities consider academic performance, English proficiency, leadership, community service, research experience, publication if applicable, work experience, extracurricular activities, strong statement of purpose, recommendation letter, and a complete application profile. Scholarship evaluate the whole application, not just grade. Now let's discuss IELTS requirement. Most universities require proof of English proficiency. Common tests include IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, academics. The required score depend on the university and program. Highly competitive scholarship often favors stronger English score. Always verify the latest language requirement for your chosen university and course before applying. Now let's talk about the documents that are required. Prepare these well in advance. Passport, academic transcript, degree certificates, updated CV, statement of purpose, recommendation letter, English language test result, research proposal for research program, work experience certificate if required, and award and certificates. Keep both digital and hard copy organized. A successful scholarship application start month before the deadline. A practical timeline 12 to 15 months before intake. Research universities and scholarships shortlist program now 10 to 12 months before. Prepare for IELTS, PTE, TOEFL. Build your CV, contact potential referees 8 to 10 months before. Write your SOPs, gather transcript and certificates 6 to 8 months before. Submit universities and scholarship applications. After submission, monitor email regularly. Prepare for interview if required. Respond quickly to any document request. Starting earlier reduce stress and improve application quality. Tip to increase your chance. There is no granted formula, but this strategy consistently strengthen application. Apply to multiple scholarship instead of relying on one. Tailor your SOP to each university and scholarship. Highlight measurable achievements and leadership experience. Maintain strong academic performance. Demonstrate community involvement or volunteer work. Gain relevant work or internship experience if possible. Ensure recommendation letters and detailed and personalized. Proofread every document carefully. Never submit application at the last minute. Small improvement across each part of your application can make a significant difference. Common mistake. Many qualified students miss out because of avoidable errors. Writing until deadline are close, copying generic SOPs from the internet, ignoring scholarship specific eligibility criteria, applying with incomplete documents, using weak or outdated CVs, choosing referees who cannot write strong recommendations, applying to only one universities, failing to meet English language requirements, not checking email after submission. Avoid these mistakes can improve your chance considerably. Australia offers outstanding educational opportunities, but scholarships are competitive. Success usually comes from careful planning, a strong academic profile, compelling application documents, and timely submission. Remember, scholarships are not awarded only to a perfect student. They are awarded to applicants who present the strongest overall profile and clearly demonstrate their potentials. If studying in Australia is your goal, start preparing today rather than waiting for application deadline to approach. Every improvement you make now, whether it's your English score, CV, leadership experience, or SOPs, can strengthen your future application. In the coming video of this scholarship masterclass, we, we will cover best Australian university with the highest scholarship opportunities, step by step Australia award application guide, how to write a winning SOPs for Australian universities, Australian student visa process, cost of living in different Australian cities, part-time job for international students, scholarship that do not require IELTS were available, common reasons scholarship application are rejected. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode. Your scholarship journey starts with a single application, and that application starts with preparation today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.